Yo, what's up my beautiful humans? Sorry, it's been forever since I posted a video. I just had to do my time and whatever because Momo got in some trouble with the law and Mary Jane. But it's all good. It's done with. You can still look good while you're in jail. So if you want to see how I got this jailhouse look, to look on fleek for visitation hours, DIY fly for your visitation hours, keep on watching. First you're going to start off with a midday oil on your face, natural moisturizer. The things you're going to need are a magazine with tons of colors you like. Next you're going to need some deodorant. You're gonna need some instant coffee. And you're gonna need a Q-tip. And you're gonna need some Vaseline. Also optional because it's contraband, so maybe if you can get it, if not, it's fine. A pencil. Also, if you're lucky, a hot Cheeto or a Taki. And don't mind the acne and the battle scars. Don't mind this, like, she tried. She tried. And he tried. He tried. Don't mess with Momo. I want to start with my brows. I'm just gonna pour some in the lid. Then you're gonna put some water. Now don't be dripping hella water in there. You just want a couple of drops just to make this into like a paste. Drip, drip. I get my Q-tip and you're gonna take off the cotton on one end and you're gonna smush in the product with the water until it becomes a paste. And you wanna get that paste from the fingers, dip it in here, and then you're gonna fill your brows. And fix it. And fix the edges so they're sharp, like a shank. It just lays the hairs down really good. You can use the other end to clean up your mess. Okay, eyebrows are done. Next, we're gonna cover up our pimples with this to make them look like moles. Mole. Mole. And here. And here. We're just gonna clean around the edges. We ain't gonna try to cover this up because this just will just make it worse. You know, show your battle scars. It's fine. Gives you some rep. We're gonna do some eyeshadow. I'll take your magazine, and since I have brown poopy eyes, I'm gonna go for like a purple or a blue, like this purple. We're gonna put it on our lids. You get your deodorant and you rub it on the paper. Oh, and you're gonna mix. You kind of gotta get in there. You're seeing a little bit of color. So we're gonna put that on our lids. You might look like you got a black eye, but that's okay. Rep. Just try to blend it well. Next, we're gonna go in with our wing liner. So take your coffee grounds again with this and without the cotton swab. And it's a little dried up and sticky now, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of water because I need the thickness. 1, 2, 3 drops. If you have the pencil, you can just dip it in. Create your wing liner, all precise and whatever. But let's be realistic, sometimes you just have a Q-tip, so we have to work with what we got. A dip. Now, if you're really lucky and you're working them guards and stuff, maybe you can be getting some color pencils. And get some hot water from the kitchen. Dip that colored pencil in there, let it melt. Ooh, you get a nice black liner. Once again, we're gonna have to just use what we got because we're resourceful like that. Now we'll go down here. So there's the first wing. And then we're gonna contour. So we'll take that same color we've been using, just put some more water in it because we don't need it to be that sticky. This is your cream contour. Blend it out. Careful because it dries quick. If it's too harsh, just use your saliva to blend. And this is gonna be your mascara. So that liquidy product, and apply it. Is your mascara. It's gonna kind of make your lashes stick together. So this is like a spidery lash look. And if you want some blush, just slap yourself, pinch your cheeks. For lips, I just take some Vaseline. If you're lucky enough to save like a hot Cheeto or a Taki, after that Vaseline, and it's yummy. But if you don't, then honestly, Vaseline, it's like a lip gloss. And if you really want like a lip stain, just bite your lip a little, get some blood, dab, 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 and here's that. Here's the final look.